Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm doing a VR for decorate your life handmade cards and crafting ideas. I have been subscribed to her for quite a while, and she is a fabulous crafter. She's amazing, and I love her cards. Oh my gosh, she can like sell those at a store. I mean, like total Hallmark cards. They are beautiful. So she is doing a her crazy giveaway, and I believe it ends tomorrow, which is November 20th. I will link her channel down below in the description box. Please go show her some crafty love. She's doing a big giveaway, so I'm not going to tell you what's in the giveaway, so go over there and see what she's doing. She has Instagram, Facebook, and Minecraft World, Pinterest. I believe that's her vlog or blog, excuse me. What else? Yes, so she is doing this giveaway. It is an awesome one, and she is an awesome crafter. She's going through some things, so I hope you go over there and show her some crafty love and watch some of her videos. Give her a thumbs up, make a comment, just show her some crafty love. So yeah, this ends November 20th, I believe. Show her some crafty love. All right, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and as always, God bless.